Okay, right now I'll be teaching you guys the La Riva guard, but in this time I'm not gonna control my opponent's arm. I will control the lapel. I use the lapel. It's a very powerful position because it's a good control, especially like when my opponent started to apply the pressure to work on the knee cut, or even like control the legs. Okay, and I will start a regular position like the La Riva guard. Okay, and especially like sometimes like I don't have enough time to open my opponent's lapel. Okay, and then most of the times like you grab on the same side, like you grab the collar and the pants on the same side. But this time I will control the opposite side. Okay, I want to make sure I don't want to grab like too deep, because if I grab too deep, it's easy for him to break my grip. Okay, I want to grab a little lower here, because even if my opponent posted up, I'm still controlling him. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, in this time I will grab the pants. Okay, like I say, you can grab the pants or you grab the ankle. It doesn't matter. Okay, but I want to talk about like a good detail like here. Let's say sometimes it's super hard for me to open up his lapel. I'm still controlling here, but now what I'm gonna do is I will start using my toes around the lapel. That way I can open up his lapel like this. Okay, once I do that, what I'm gonna do is I will step right on his hip, and I will use make him post his hands on the ground. Okay, that's why I prefer to grab on the opposite side of the lapel. Okay, now from here I can do two things. If my opponent lay, I can like switch the grip on the pants and on the hook his leg here. Okay, but sometimes, especially during the fight, my opponent posted up right away. Okay, if you do that, I'm still using the same grip. Okay, I let go the pants and then on the hook here, and I'm not gonna grab my shin. Okay, I will grab my pants like this. Okay, and then I switch the grip. Once I switch the grip, I'm gonna switch this hand to the opposite side of the lapel. Now it's easy for me to open up this lapel. Okay, and then from here, I'm gonna take my hook out off his leg. Okay, I can do two things. I can pass the lapel over his arm, or I can go under his arm. Depends how my opponent reacts. Sometimes he closes his elbow, I go over and I grab like this. But I'm 100% sure that he's gonna take his hand off, and he's gonna start using his hand against my leg. Everyone's trying to do that. And then on this side here, I will let him push my leg between his leg. Okay, that's the position that I want. Okay, now it's a really important detail. I have this hand free. I'm not gonna push him. Okay, I'm not gonna grab the lapel. I'm not gonna do anything against him on his upper body. Okay, I will underhook his leg. You see, like my hand go under my leg and behind his leg, and I grab the lapel like this. Now he's not gonna smash me anymore, because there is no angle for him to open up his knee to that side, and there is no way for him to work on the knee cut pass, because I'm controlling his lapel, plus I'm controlling his upper body. Okay, I'll be here in this position. Now I switch the grip. The hand that I have under his heel, I take my arm off, and I grab the lapel like this. You see? Now I can do two things. I can grab it like this, or I can grab this way. I prefer to grab my knuckles up, because I can keep my elbow inside. Okay, now from here, I'm still grabbing the opposite side of the lapel. I can pull him to make him post his hands on the ground, and then I'm gonna push him. You see, I sit. He's not gonna post it up. Why? Because once I push him, if you guys see like this leg, I'm gonna use to trap his heel. I'm gonna do this way like a scissor straight. You see? Place my elbow inside, and then just come up, and I will do it like this. Even when I come up, I'm still controlling him. The reason that I grab controlling the lapel is because he's not gonna recover his guard because I have my leg. Let's say if that happen here, let's say if he take his leg off, he's not gonna recover his guard because I can start to use the lapel over. Okay? And the second thing, he's not gonna push me because there is no angle for him to extend his body and his leg because of the lapel here. Okay, and I can start pass. Let's say I will do like fast. Let's say we're here. I go 1, 2, 3. You see? I would like to do this position because let's say if I'm here on the la riva, I'm 100% sure that he's gonna take my hook off and then switch. And this leg I like to keep between his legs. I let him work on the knees together here against my leg. When I grab like this, I can go here and I push. And I come on. See? And I pass. Okay. That's my second free grip position that I like to do from the De La Riva. And like I say, if you guys have any questions, just comment on the video and I'll be happy to answer your questions.